everyone, it's Katie from Hill & Marks, and today we're talking about a product that has a kill time as fast as 3 minutes, is a 3-in-1 solution, and is streak-free. The product we're talking about is Ecolab's Peroxide Multi-Surface Cleaner and Disinfectant.
Get your black belt in cleaning by simplifying the process. Norovirus and other emerging pathogens don't stand a chance against Ecolab's Peroxide Multi-Surface Cleaner and Disinfectant. It is a 3-in-1 multi-purpose spray to help protect your brand and your employees. This EPA-registered product quickly disinfects in 3 to 5 minutes and kills the pesky norovirus as fast as 45 seconds with low dilution rates. A hard surface cleaner, glass cleaner, and disinfectant. Wax on, wax off, like a master at karate. Ecolab's Peroxide Multi-Surface Cleaner and Disinfectant is effective in fighting against the following: norovirus, H1N1, MRSA, staph, listeria, and parvovirus. No PPE required. Pleasant and fresh scent. Streak-free performance on a hard surface and glass. Minimal dwell time for disinfecting properties. Reduces total number of cleaning products needed. Ecolab's multi-surface dispensing system is a closed-loop dilution control system with cost savings associated compared to ready-to-use products. 4-in-1 dispensing system with mop bucket and bottle options.
Wax on, wax off. Clean with Ecolab's Peroxide Multi-Surface Cleaner and Disinfectant like the Karate Kid. Visit hillandmarks.com today to learn more, and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.